How do you use VLC on the iPad? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, consider subscribing for tutorials and videos like this one. First of all, make sure you have it downloaded as a separate standalone app from the App Store. It is free to get, so most definitely install and make sure that you run the latest version, so perhaps check for the updates. But then the most important topic regarding this is how do I get some media, some videos or content into this media player? And the best way to do it, in my opinion, is to stick with the local solution. So you then leave the app and open up the Files app of your iPad. It is the folder icon on this white background, and from the different locations, you can go to the On My iPad, and you should be able to see the folder for VLC Media Player. And you can essentially just move any kind of videos or photos or whatever into this folder here, and you'll be able to play that media through the VLC media player, right? So you can, for example, connect something like an external storage over the USB and paste the things there, or you can go to your photos and get some of your own videos like this by clicking the share button and saving it to the files, but you specifically choose the VLC folder, so it will be actually played through that application. So that is how you can generally use it. Outside of that, there are also more ways how you can play the content. By going to the browse section, you can check out some different streaming, or for example, using the local network if you enable the sharing via Wi-Fi. So you can see we have a URL which you can connect to through other devices and stream the content like this. But as I said, my personal favorite method is to use the local storage. So let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later. So stay tuned and I'll talk to you then.